Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. The local currency has hit a new record low of $156.34 to $1. Now, the previous record was $156.32, set at the end of trading last Friday. $126.03 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $212.03 for the pound, and $182.93 for the euro. The tourism industry is one of the most impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic, with some hotels closing their doors to weather the impact. Now, some players, however, heeded the calls to revamp if possible during the downtime. Javon Keys visited two of those hotels along the resilient corridor and filed this report.
The tourism industry lost more than $70 billion due to the impact of COVID-19 in 2020. And while there is some comparative improvement this year, things are a far cry from what they were before.
Staff members had to be furloughed for at least 7 months. And so with staff members being furloughed and closure of the business, you can guess what that did to our bottom line. So it had a severe impact on us.
Shernet Crichton is the general manager of Half Moon Jamaica in Montego Bay. In Trelawney, Ocean Coral Springs opened in December 2019. A little over 2 months later, the pandemic hit Jamaica. Tanisha Clark is director of sales. She says the company was looking to increase its staff.
But while the impact of the pandemic has been difficult for both players, they've used the downtime to reevaluate their business model and look at new opportunities to offer.
We reopened in October of last year, and we have been operating since. We have Ocean Eden Bay, which is our adults only property that just opened with an additional 444 rooms. So now we're looking at a staff complement that will be up to 1,400 employees.
The addition of Coral Eden Bay brings to a total 957 the number of rooms at the property. Half Moon has spent $75 million to add a new segment to its existing offering.
Eclipse was a new build because over the years, Half Moon is over 65 years old. And so we needed to come out with something new and exciting for the market. And so we demolished 44 keys and rebuilt 57 new keys with brand new amenities such as an infinity style pool, about 3 new restaurants.
They've also made changes to the original facilities costing $5 million.
We are now remodeling 68 of our hibiscus suites, and that's located in Founders Cove, the original side of Half Moon, with 153 keys. And we remodeled that because we wanted the market not just to have something brand new, but our guests who love the Founders Cove, we want them to come back and see something that's new and fresh as well and ready for the upcoming winter season.
That project is to be completed in a matter of days for an official opening on November 22. But while Ocean Coral Spring and Half Moon are yet to see a full rebound, things are looking up.
And all indications with the flights as well as the demand is showing that travel is on the rebound.
Reporting from within the resilient corridor, I'm Javon Keys for TVJ News.
Thank you, Javon. Now, the JC Index advanced by 876 points, while the Junior Market Index gained 32 points. Among today's winners were KLE Group, Panjam Investments, Blue Power Group, Jamaica Producers Group, and General Accident Insurance. While on the losing side were CAC 2000 ordinary shares, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy US dollar shares, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, Key Insurance, and Proven Investments US dollar shares. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.